Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 2 Academic Word of the Day, discrete, for Week 1, Quarter 4. Let's take a look at the flashcard. Okay, the first thing I want you to be aware of is that there is two words with this same pronunciation, discrete. All right, and a lot of students will get these mixed up. So there is discrete that is spelled C-R-E-T-E, and that's the one we're going to look at today. And that's different from the word discrete that is spelled C-R-E-E-T, which basically means being careful of what you say. Being careful what you say. That's not this discrete. Okay, discrete. A really good Spanish translation is distinto, because really it's the idea that things are separated. Okay, pronunciation, the emphasis is on the second syllable, discrete. So we say discrete, and it's an adjective, and its definition is independent of other things of the same type. Okay, so you can separate it out. Okay. So in our sentence for today, in English 2, the students read a play called The Glass Menagerie. And in the text or the script, the play is organized in 7 discrete scenes. Okay, so each scene can be separated out independently. Okay, so that's how they are discrete. The opposite is indiscrete, and indiscrete then would be when things can't be separated. For example, if you took your flashcards into the shower to study while you were washing yourself, maybe your flashcards would all get wet and you cannot separate them. So it becomes one indiscrete mass, not being able to separate. Okay. You have an adverb form, discretely or indiscretely. Okay. And the noun form is discreteness. Okay, the ability to have things separated. Okay. There's an adjective forming that's pronounced a little bit differently. In discretionary, here the E sound becomes soft, so discretionary. And basically, discretionary is describes something that is decided independently. Okay, something that is decided independently. So for example, if you go to university and you might be eligible to apply for a discretionary grant, money that's available that is kind of decided independently based on your own individual situation. You also have the opposite, as I said, indiscrete, which means unable to be separated. Okay, so discrete, things can be separated and kept independent. Indiscrete, things are massed together. So your synonyms are detached, separate, and distinct, which is again the in Spanish the distinto. And then I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then your antonyms are united and connected. Okay, so don't get mixed up with the other discrete, because that is an academic word too. All right, write your original sentence about yourself using discrete, C-R-E-T-E, as an adjective, and also include an illustration. And that is your word of the day. Happy studying.